Good morning, good morning. All right, we're in this trade. I need to get this stuff organized. We're in a $600 long on ES. I was really going into it with my students earlier. $625 over here on the right on this ES trade. I'm not really sure. I might have extended the chart myself. I'll move this up a bit. Okay, cool. $625. All right, let me share this in the group. Good morning. It is Wednesday, December 6th. Wednesday, December 6th. Let's go. We're excited. We're ready for a big day. Okay, I gotta get on TikTok. All right. Very good. Please say good morning and give a thumbs up as you come in. Hey, James. Good morning. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Carlos. Good morning, Jason. All right, I need to get on TikTok. 2 minutes till the market opens. I got to get my little buzzers turned on and my little sound machines. I'm playing pickleball today. I'm so excited. I think at like 11. So I'll wrap up the call at 10:30 and I'll get ready for that. All right, I am going live on TikTok. Let's get it. Green in this long of ES. I was like pinching it and it wasn't working. Guaranteed green on this long. So we'll see what happens at the open. I need to put the waves image on here. Backgrounds, waves. Oh gosh, look at those lines. I can't. $600 on this long. I can't stand those lines. The grid line, take it off. The other grid line, take it off. Much better. Green, $600 on this ES long. Let's go. This is a premium algorithm. The premium algorithms have already made, I don't know, like $1,000 overnight. This is an overnight setup. It got long at 3:45 in the morning. It's now 9:30. I'm pulling it up. I found so many new setups last night. Really excited. Also, we have the student play that's looking to play out, so we'll see what happens there. Oh, CL London Waves had a lot, so I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I'm going to have to figure out what ES did. Outside of that, we'll see what happens here. Good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning. Focused on this ES trade. That's what I have you guys zoomed in on. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time on both, excuse me, YouTube and TikTok. Where are my students at? Where are my students at? I'm trying. Oh, all right. All right. Where's the next one? We have an area in mind. I have 2 new PAs that will be PAs tomorrow. Excuse me. Let's get it. I don't know what's in my throat right now. It was fine a second ago. Maybe it was just my saliva. Oh yes, yeah, London, I have that here. Alright, NQ London. Oh. NQ London a loss? What? What? Oh, it did. And today's a green day. Oh no. I guess I didn't notice all this since I just got up. NCL London. NQ dinner was green. We already had that. Overnight. And overnight, right, 800. Okay. Let me put that in the testing sheet. Hi, how are you? Let me know if you have any questions. This is a perfect move back that we wanted. Yep. Exactly, Derek. What does the... Oh. The best day. I started putting asterisks. It's the best day to run that. Hey, Donnie. Hey, Chris. Make sure you hit that thumbs up on YouTube. If you don't see the thumbs up, rotate your phone long ways, so up and down instead of side by side. And then you should see it, and you can push it. I just ask that you push it once per session. Which overnight was red. Some of the overnight trades were on not that great. Let's put that in there. CL London. All right. ES might get tagged here. Don't have any other trades going. Really
order filled.
Really nice pullback here. All right, so ES hit the trail for $387. Waves on ZL are still in. Now I can move you guys back over here. We can focus in this area. Sorry. Not in any range trades yet. Let's see what happens here in a bit. I did mention that, was it NQ evening? No. So no NQ evening trades and no ES night and no NQ night. But we did have the dinner. There's so many setups to try to keep track of. Yes, 11. Laura, I don't know. My family loves to forget that the only time I'm really busy. Yes. Is when I'm live. Oh my gosh, look at this pullback. Look at this pullback. All the way back to the
order
chop zone.
Target filled.
All the way. Who was that? NQ? NQ, I just went off of the chart and it already hit target. So eggs.
Target filled.
Is that ES? And ES just hit target too. ES early and NQ early both hit target already. Look at that. Huge. Big drop back down. Good job, Evan. It has broken. Let's see if we get a bounce here off of 55. Oh, shoot. You know what we never did?
Order submitted.
Oh, there we go. Wait, where was the original? That's what I need to look at. 76. Oh, it went to 50. Oh, so even a little higher. I thought I had extended it. All right, so NQ early 1 for 1, ES early 1 for 1. No overnight trades. That's what I was looking at a second ago before Laura texted me. Right? There was no NQ evening, right? Or am I... Yeah, no, there was no NQ evening. Let's see if we get this move up here. Do I have that? I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm talking out of my ass. Do I have the end? No, that was different. Oh, that was dinner. So many snaps. All right, an NQ early today is now a absolute yes, so that was good. And ES early is a yes, so we got both of those. NQ evening, no trades. And ES night, no trades. NQ night, no trades. Hi, Ricky.
Order
How are
canceled.
you? If you want more information on the auto trading algorithms, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's on the screen. Where are we at? So ES waves, ES night was very good. NQ night was very good.
Order canceled.
ES early hit target, NQ early hit target. I think what I'm hearing is this, which I need to just close or turn off. NQ night, no trades, and then ES early, 1 for 1. NQ early, 1 for 1. Remember, the trial, if you are new and you are thinking about trying BoldBot, the $500 trial is most likely going to be removed by the new year. So you have 3 weeks or so to sign up with the $500 trial for 21 days. After that, it's going to be the full price to even use the algorithm. So it would be 30 days for $1,000. But right now, you can get 21 days for
Order
$500
submitted.
to try the bot and see if you like it or not. We have 310 people currently in the group. Jen is done for the day. Look at her. 200 to 500 on all of her accounts. Charlie. Damn, Charlie. 300, 400, 1,300 on all of his accounts. Matthew today was good to me. Look at this. 400 to 700. Good job, Matthew. And I know he's been practicing in sim for the student plays. This price is just plummeting. It doesn't even care. YM Bold Waves is in a long. And ZL is still in the long. NQ is like what levels, right? It's like, no, I'm going to come hang out here for a while. Sorry, I'm doing a lot of typing today. People are DMing me, and now I'm telling people to not DM me. Cynical, and then the live streams. All right. Or just the other ones. Yeah, and we didn't even talk about that. No, dry, but they're going deeper. Okay, good. That's another thing I forgot to mention.
Order submitted.
Good thing is, this isn't your cost. Yeah, I know, but I just want water. Don't fret. They'll find water on this, on a lot this big. Okay, cool. First day using the copyright hit on all accounts. Good. Very good. Good idea, Clint. RTY isn't along and YM isn't along. It seems that they are knowing, so we're gonna move back out here. It's 9:42. So we're in 3 waves trades, but no other range trades. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. And then Jen goes live from 1 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on TikTok. If you want to go back and watch any of my past live streams, they're all historically in the YouTube library. Let's see if we can get back above 65 and move up, or 75 and move up. Always learning. Great Wednesday, BoldBot team for life. Michael just does whatever he wants. I love Michael. He's so good. All right, curling back up here. Let's see if we can get over that 65, 75 and move higher. Let's bloop some of these results from today. So 2 for 2 on the standard algorithms. The premium algorithms did well, but there were 2 losses overnight. One on CL London and one on NQ London. But ES London was a win. The night zones were all wins. No, we're not selling. We're in the chop zone. This is the chop zone. It's a proprietary area that I give my students every morning, and we don't trade within it. So the answer is no. Yes. And if you're only a standard member, then you're 100% on the day. If you're a premium member, it depends which one you ran. Like if you only ran CL London, then you'd be red on the day because CL London had a loss. Does that make sense? Look at this, slow and steady on the PAs, $17, $50. Remember, $25 across 20 accounts is $10,000 a month. Can you imagine that? How easy is it to make $25? So easy. So easy. $10,000 a month. So. We are staying in the chop zone. Look at that retest on this 51. That's a nice drop. Makes sense. Gotta baby the PAs a little. Yeah, for sure. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in chat. Are we going to get a short from NQ early? Oh, that's what we already had. I thought it was, for some reason, I thought it was a long. Yeah, we had a short on ES and NQ. Never mind. We're so far away. We are so far away. I like this short on gold under 44. Actually, this 45. It's already at 43.5. Where was it? Here? Yep. It gave the entire report move back. Back to this 32, this little comfortable area. It looked like it was going to have a stronger hold, but it didn't. We had weekly levels it ran through. We had really strong supports it ran through. Oh, but RTY is green 185 on this long. We could take a look at that. RTY, even though it's an index, I feel like it just does the opposite of the NQ. It's just like, oh, I'm going to go long and it's going to be good. Yeah, you're right, Andon. Yep. Green 175 on this RTY waves. Oh, here's down here. 225 on RTY waves. Ooh, guaranteed green on RTY waves. I don't know why it keeps moving itself up like that. I like it down so you guys can see it. 285 on RTY waves.
Order submitted.
But it's actually interesting. Remember what I said in the student call about what Brian said?
Order filled.
Interesting. All right, R2I took profit, $230. I think it went to like 310 or something. NQ's still stuck though. We're in a long on ZL, still in the waves, green $65. Also YM is in a long, green 15. We'll see if YM wants to run up like R2Y did. I'm not really sure where my ZL is. It's probably on, oh yeah, it's on the silver. Oh no, ZL's in a short. Why did I think, well, I guess I didn't know what it was in, maybe. It's in a short, green $72. I think I'm done for the day. Yep. Sounds good, Charlie. You should be. Oh, Silver London is in a short too. Green 425. ZL is in a ZL London still in a short. Green $78. We're not doing the shoulda, coulda, woulda today, Andon. Stop being results oriented.
Target filled.
I don't think some people understand what results oriented is. So if you're only focusing on the result after the fact, you're being results oriented. Because what would have happened if you took it where you took it and it did well? You wouldn't have said, oh, I shouldn't have taken it there, because you would have won. That's being results oriented. Don't be results oriented. Do what you think is best, and if it doesn't work, that's fine. If it does work, that's great. But there is no, like, we're not just going to be winning and trading all the time. So we need to stop being results oriented, and that's a thing for poker too. Like, if you fold pocket tens because someone made it $300 and then there's a 10 on the flop, you're going to be like, oh, I should have called the $300. No, you shouldn't have called the $300 because you literally only have $300 behind. And that makes zero sense. That is an emotional response, and we need to get out of emotional responses. Yeah, bot is $500 for 21 days through the end of the year. So you took it because you thought it was a good trade here. It didn't work out. Okay, cool. Then it comes to the chop zone. Take it there if you think that's a good trade, and then it would have worked out. But you can't just take one trade a day. That's never going to work. Because there are, or it will work, but then you have to be okay with having a loss every now and then, and your day is just red. If you're only manually taking one trade, you just have to then be okay with that result. It can't be like, oh, it has to be green every day. Like, okay, well then take more than one trade and get that loss back. I don't know. I don't know. This is not advice. Speaking of, we're coming out of the chop zone. Yeah, it's 9:50. I'm not taking any trades. I'm just talking out loud. Nice job, Jared. ZL's green, $84 in the short. I could keep that up down here. I don't really know why I went away from it. Oh, I need to put a picture on it. And take off the grid lines. No. No. There we go. Preach. Good. I'm glad you got what you needed. It is 9:53. We're going to take a little... Well, I'm still here, but I'm talking about manually trading. Take a little pause. Thank you for everything. God bless you. You're so sweet. Who's posting? Risk parameters for Rhythmic account are through our Trader Pro. Who? There is a video on that. NBA. And that's not the right place to post, but I think he's trying. There is a video in helpful info. I just reposted it on Thursday. Is this a new one I made? I think so. They were doing so much banging and so weird screwing. Yesterday, I don't know what it was. Next door, it sounds like they were ripping out carpet and then they were hanging TVs. I don't know what they were doing. It sounds like they were ripping out the drywall, to be honest. I was like, what is happening? Look at Foxy. So he took the mentorship and then said, you know what, Lauren, I think I need some one-on-one sessions. It's not clicking. We just finished our last one-on-one session last night, and look at what he's doing. And this morning has been hard. Like, it hasn't been easy. And look what he's performing. Good job, Sam. And he, at the same time, he's driving a tractor trailer. So if Sam and Charlie, who both drive tractor trailers during the open, can make $500, $200, $300, $1,000 per account every single day, no one else has an excuse. Learn it. Make it like, you know, start becoming patient. Like, he used to be real impatient, and now he's patient. My 65 might not have been a move. Should have left it at 75 at the quarter point. I pull over and put in the work. Charlie, I love it. I'm super proud of you, Charlie. Because Charlie used to have a hard time, too. He's like, I'm not getting this. It's hard. You know, I'm emotional. And that's normal. But then he put in the work, and he has done really well. I'm proud of Charlie. I'm proud of Sam. I'm proud of everyone. I'm proud of everyone. If you are trying, that is all I can ask. I watched your first video last night. OMG. Oh, yeah, Jeffrey, I know. I'm so excited you're finally a student. Yay. Yay. The digital mentorship is life. So strange. I just got my eggs and apples now. I guess I'm upgrading this weekend. Oh, yeah, strange. Thanks for the rose, Mike. 3 roses. Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, the only trade I'm in right now is a YM long and a ZL short. You know, I don't even know what ZL is. Like, it's a treasury of some sort, I think, or a bond, something. But we have good results with it. Let's see. Let's look at the spreadsheet. ZL. It's made It's 66% since July, and it's made $9,000. So on average, it makes $1,700 per month on one mini, and it trades typically once per day. We're now green $108 on said ZL. Oh, it's soybean? Oh, well, shit, I was wrong. I thought all the Z's were like bonds or treasury. Clearly, I don't know enough. Clearly. Why do the colors look so funky? Hold on, I'm going to move you guys down like this. I wish these colors were like brighter and not so basic. I think when you zoom in, it looks brighter, but I like to get the whole picture of what's happening. Thanks for all the hearts. Thanks for tapping the screen. There's 5,000 likes. Make sure you tap, 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 tap. If you're on YouTube, make sure you give a thumbs up. Appreciate ya. All right, it's 9:57. Let's see if the market wants to make some moves here in the next few minutes. We don't have any other reports today. There's one, I think, at like 11:30 or something, but it's medium impact. Another nice opportunity to take the gold short here at 45, so a minute ago. I'm a little off. Thanks. Meet your live pros. 10 out of 20 roses. That's so nice. Congrats, Rose. Thank you, Magic Mike. You're so sweet. We already made like $1 million on the day, so you have time. Yep, I noticed yesterday it was actually really strange. I'll read it. Okay, perfect. Sounds good. They did an upgrade to the Replicento copier, and they did an upgrade to the trade copier. So make sure you get those updates. So YM is green $90. ZL is green $72. Those are the only trades I'm in right now. So we'll bounce back and forth between those. If you want more information on the auto trading algorithms, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, and then 1 to 2 p.m. Jen will be live. She's one of my users. She's been in the group since late 2020 or early 2021. She's awesome. Irma's awesome. Everyone on my team is awesome. Laura's awesome. I'm playing pickleball today at 11 with a Laura, not that Laura. Also, the link to the current flurries, I presume. Also, the link to the current flurries, I presume why. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, it's like flurrying outside. I think that's code for something else. Which one? What's saying?
Order submitted.
I love my second family. You guys rock. $130 on this long. Oh, and ZL is green 138. So soybean is green 140 on a short, and we're green 170 on this YM long. NQ still doesn't give a shit, and it's just going down. It's like, I don't care. I'm not giving you guys any moves today. I think I do enough moving. Oh, pickleball. No, I love pickleball. Dude, it's so much fun. It's not like an intensive workout. It's not like a freaking hit or something, but it's a good workout and it's a lot of fun. I really, really like it. It just really gets me out of the house and socializing. I've become such a hermit crab since COVID. I used to be someone that would never be in the house. And then after COVID, I'm like, oh, being in the house is so nice. No wonder people enjoy it. No, I love pickleball. It's so much fun. And because I'm not that good at it yet, like I'm pretty good, but I love when I can improve at something. So there's so much room for improvement. And like you can always improve on something. Gold on scalper is also in a short, green $130. The scalpers have been making money this week. Hold on. There it is. $120 on this gold scalper on the top of the page here. I'm going to scooch it over so you guys can see it here. $140 on that short. And then we're in the long of YM. $240 on this gold short. And this is a standard algorithm. That's scalper. Let me scooch you guys out a little bit so you can see this. picking the phone up. There we go. All right, so make sure you tap that screen. Gold scalper in a short. Ooh, NQ just said, like, I'm done, and it went all the way back to the LIS. That is funny. YM's having a hard time holding here. $108 on the ZL short. So yeah, I'll play pickleball, and then I have a meeting at 2, and then BoldBot gets out of school. Oh, we gotta do some stuff. So busy day. I love a busy day. I had 2 student sessions last night. They went really well. And then tomorrow is not a busy day. Tomorrow there's nothing on the calendar besides like my regular work. We'll see what happens here in these trades, and then I might wrap it up a few minutes early. We'll see. I got a lot done yesterday, too. I need to send some stuff to my CPA. I need to send some stuff to... Well, I guess I don't have to send that. I have to go into the bank for this other thing. Thanks, George, for whatever those are. Jen will be live at 1 o'clock. I'm still here till typically 10:30. We'll see, maybe 10:15, 10:20. It's just kind of boring because we don't have really any manual trades, and we've only had 2 standard algo trades. Well, this is a standard algo too, so I guess I would say 3 standard algo trades. It's been a bit of a quiet Wednesday in a sense. Last night was more active than this, essentially. This is a built-in trail, so even though you see the stop loss all the way up here on gold, it has a built-in trail stop, which is the thin red line. ZL's kind of back to entry. YM is back to entry. Gold is almost back to entry. It broke everything add-on related for me from the spot trade copy and other custom tools. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, I never do the new NinjaTrader updates until at least a few weeks through because they always have issues. Let's see if gold will continue down here. I kind of want to stay on my desk up. Well, I'm just standing up anyway. I don't even mind. Well, I guess I do. I was going to say at 907, but I wouldn't do that because, ooh, look at that bounce on the LAS. See if YM come back up here. No, because we're nowhere near it. You will see, but it looks like maybe not. Stock? We're not trading stocks. What? It's from the analyzer, Austin. What the? We don't trade stocks. We trade futures. The No Wednesday is from data. I've been running these algos since 2020. Oh, I see. That makes sense. Got a new PA last night. Baby steps, building cushions and patience. Yes, baby steps. I have 2 evals that will be PAs in 2 days. So I took 1 micro on them last night. And then I'm not doing anything else with them today. And then after tomorrow, they'll be PAs. That's normal. I just looked and shrugged. All right, what's happening? YM is still in this long. ZL is still in the short. Gold is still in the short. My accounts don't have a cushion to trade like I know how. Can't take the heat yet. Yeah, I totally get that. Sometimes I'll just fuck around and take like 1 trade, make a few $100, and then be done for the day, and then show up the next day and try to do the same thing. But some days, if it's giving, I'll take a few trades. Like yesterday, I think I took like 2 or 3. Then it got a little messy after that. All right, YM's back in the green. And gold is right around break even. Slackjaw? What is that? I have no idea what's happening in that conversation. Does anybody want anything from Taco Bell? Charlie is there. I've never had Taco Bell breakfast. I don't eat breakfast, but if I do eat breakfast, it's usually just like a bagel from a bagel shop. I never go to fast food for breakfast, but I know a lot of people love it. Like, people love McDonald's fast food for breakfast. And you're in Richmond. So close. So, I wonder if I should do green 85 on this YM long. ZL's around break even. Gold's trying to figure out what it's doing. They brought it all the way back from that report, and now it's like, okay, I'm ready. It was tricky that we didn't have any reports today, because kind of like yesterday. So like yesterday would have been nice with no reports because we had that move, and some people didn't take it because of the reports. Today we don't have any reports, but it's not giving the move yet. You know what I mean? Yeah, crude has a report at 10:30, but it doesn't affect the algos, and then fire sauce is life. Oh, I love. He said, I'll take that Crunchwrap, lots of mild sauce. I like mild. What's the medium one? Is that the fire? Medium, or is there just medium? YM is green on this long. YM and... Oh, where'd my scalper chart go? Gold is also back to being green. Said a weird day. Algo saved me. Good. Yeah, today is kind of weird. Today is kind of weird. Brian, nice job. It's 10:11. I'm going to give it like another 5 minutes. And then I'll probably just wrap it up. Remember, there's no NQ later today. That was a new update. No NQ later, no ES later. So make sure your stuff is updated. Okay. Put the user. No one even knows who you are. I don't know. There we go. Perfect. Nice job, Foxy. Even though you already made so much today anyway. I think it's our rollover week for NQ and ES. It should be next week, but you could be right. The 8th. It's not going to be the 15th. But that really shouldn't have much effect. All right, Jared, I'm ready. In my email yesterday, you said Thursday. Today's Wednesday. Look at that surprise. What market is this? This is the futures markets. Yes, I trade ES. ES was like 3 for 3 last night. Hold on, let me show you. It was 2 for 2 on night zones. Right here. So it had along here, it hit $250 and then $250 here. ES is also up here. It hit on the early algorithm, on the short there. We're in a long of YM here. So that's the Dow, and then gold is up top. We're also in a ZL short. NQ, it's not NQ later. Another conservative green day. Still waiting for the student call to play out. If it does, I may dip my toes in it. Other than that, I'm done. Nice job. Lady Liquid had 3 algo trades for $1,180. Very good. And apparently you can freaking type. Yeah, I think it's, what is it, 60 words per minute at 100% accuracy. We should do a typing test. I'm so freaking bored. All right, we're moving up. The student play is ready to play. Possibly. Let's see. Can we talk about this bot price change? What, after the no more trial? Listen, the price for premium is about to go to $2K. Let's be honest, because I found like 6 new setups that make $2,400 to $2,700 per month on one mini. Yeah, it's pretty fucking good. Green 155 on the YM long. Over here on the bottom. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We go live every day, 9:30. We've only had this conversation like 10 times. I need William to come. Yes, I built my own bots. Did you see what I said, Ed? Oh, you know what? I didn't even look at this today. I wonder if John said anything. Oh, I need to update the data. Stop moving on until I give you feedback. Ah. All right, green 125 on this YM long. All right, good, good, good. I need to watch this video that Laura sent me. See that wick out that I was talking about? We're about to do that on here. Was what, 74? 76. The original was 76. That's what I'm saying you guys have to pay attention to. Yeah, it's $500. That's the low cost. You can't come in and make, literally, you guys can have over 20 accounts and be making anywhere from $100 to $1,000 per day on each account. Sorry, I can't have lower startup costs than $500. If you don't think my bots are worth $500 to try them, then I just don't think I would want to have you in my group anyway, because I put so much time and effort into staying on top of the market trends, staying on top of the settings, the stop losses, the targets. Like, I put in a lot of damn work. And also, I don't really need people. Like, we have 310 people in the group. I'm probably going to cap the group at 350, honestly. So, and I'm going to take away the trial price at the end of the year, because people will sign up and they'll say, oh, it's $500, and then they don't take it seriously. Maybe if you pay more money, you'll take it more seriously and you won't just YOLO and take 10 contracts on one of the algo setups when you should only be taking one contract. Plus, you have a large discount to use Apex instead of your own capital. So the only real cost is my algorithm subscription, because you can get Apex accounts for $16 each. So there's really no excuse there. You don't have to have a cash account. Apex did a 90% sale for like 3 weeks, and it just ended recently. What? What? So, say you buy 5 Apex accounts. They're $16 each, whatever that cost is. And then you pay $500 for the algorithm. That is your out of pocket. That is the cost. There are different levels of the algorithm. If you want to do premium algorithms, it's $1,500. Those are the different levels. You only get access to one algorithm for the $500. I'm not making some type of shit algorithm and saying it costs $200. Those people would come in, it wouldn't do what they wanted to do, and then they would leave. And that's a waste on like them, that's a waste on me, that's a waste of resources, because Irma has to help every single new person get set up. Every single new person probably takes 2 to 5 hours of Irma's time. Can you imagine? And we probably have like at least 30 new people every month. So yeah, there's like 10 algorithms. For the $500, you get access to one, which is super reliable and super straightforward and really easy to understand, which is bold range. That is this. Super straightforward. Then after a week, you can get access to Scalper. That's all included in the $500 or $1,000 per month after that. But these other algorithms, the premium ones, they're in a tier on their own, which is the premium tier. The premium tier currently is $1,500 for like 5 additional algorithms. So it's $500 more per month, which is not a big cost difference. Kat D said, I'm in the trial right now and I've been green every day. I love it. Listen, I try my hardest because if you guys don't succeed, if the algorithms don't do well, then you're not going to stay in my group. You know what I mean? You're not going to keep paying money and continue using the algorithms. And I know that. So, oh, they're back to banging. So I have to keep that in mind. This group is the best ever. But I try my hardest, and I feel like my prices are appropriate for what they are. Oh my gosh, look at this drop. Look at this drop. Will we get the drop under a 7? Let's see. It must be hot. What must be hot? All right, students. Drop it like it's hot. Let's go, students. Who's paying attention? Well, that's good, Peter. That's always a good thing to be testing those. Very good. Well worth it, Lauren. Thanks, Anthony. So sweet. Hey, Big Bussa, what's up? Yeah, no, you didn't get it. It's just going. It's just 900 to 80 already. I'm sure some people got there. Adrian said, in there like swimwear. Andon said, let's go. Let's go, Andon. I'm cheering for you, dude. Anthony, nice job. Where's Laura at? Laura's probably in the short. She's not blooping people. Oh, nice.
Order submitted.
Got a bit on micros. Nice. Free falling. RTY range isn't along, but we don't care about that because we don't run it on Wednesdays. ZL is still in this trade.
Target filled.
Green $78. RTY. Oh, RTY is 2 for 2 today, or did I have 2 contracts on that? Oh no, RTY is 2 for 2 today. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, who's that guy in the group that says he runs it on Wednesday and Thursday? Because he's noticed that Wednesdays are good for RTY. Is it somebody named Kevin? Well, RTY is 125 on the week. It's a small gainer, but it's a lot of fun. A little update on a few. Nice job, Jen. Got it, thank you. Oh, that was a good catch. Nice, Matthew. My students are catching the short, even if they got stopped out on the long. We reset, we hang out, we wait, we stay patient. They got the short either from I liked the 907, but I wasn't going to say that. And I didn't take it because, again, I have those 2 accounts that are about to be PAs. ZL is green $100 on the short. But from 900 or from 95 down to 75, that's a nice 20 points with any of those locations. So 20 plus points. All right, it's 10:28. Oh, what perfect timing. I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you for joining me. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. ZL soybean is still in this short. We're going to give it time. A lot of these wave setups trade all day. Like, they'll get in a trade and they'll trade for 4 to 5 to 6 hours. So you just kind of let it do its thing. I'm going to go get ready for pickleball. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please join Jen. She's going to be live on this account at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you show up, give her some love, and I'll talk to you guys later. I will be live tomorrow morning at 9:30. Have a good Wednesday. Bye, guys.